me.
Howdy everyone, this is Trisha and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make these roasted beets to create a nice roast beet salad. Now the ingredients will be in the description box below, so let's get to cooking. I'm going to start off with 2 beets and I'm going to slice off the ends. And now I'm just cutting them in half. And now I'm going to put each beet in a piece of foil. I'm going to drizzle some oil. I'm choosing walnut oil, but you could use extra virgin olive oil or some avocado oil. And now I'm going to sprinkle with salt. And then you'll want to wrap it up with the foil. And repeat with the other beet. And now I place them on a baking sheet and they go into the preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 40 minutes. Alright, so after the 40 minutes, you're going to want to test your beets by pushing it in with a fork, and if it goes in easily, it is ready. I went ahead and I did mine for another 15 minutes. So now we're going to let this cool off. Alright, so now that your beets have cooled off, you can just take a little paring knife and start peeling off the outer skin. It might be easier to put them in a little plastic bag while they're still hot, and that'll steam them, and this will help to remove the skin. Next, we want to go ahead and slice these. Alright, so my roasted beets are ready to enjoy as is, or elevate them and use them in a pizza or a salad. So let me show you what I'm going to do with them. I'm going to start off by laying some baby spinach at the bottom of a baking dish. I'm going to drizzle it with some walnut oil, but you can use extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. Take one of your beets and lay the slices on top of the spinach. On top of that, I'm going to add some plain and creamy goat cheese. And now I'm going to sprinkle some walnuts on top. And last, I'm going to drizzle some balsamic vinegar over it all. Now you can enjoy this salad as it is, but I'm going to elevate it a little bit more by putting it in the oven for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I just want my goat cheese to melt down a little bit and for everything to be nice and hot. Alright everyone, so here is my salad out of the oven. It is roasted beets with spinach, some walnuts, and goat cheese. And it smells delicious. So let's take a taste. Alright, let's give this a taste. Delicious. Big old thumbs up.
Hey, if you like the content of my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and enjoy.